Yeah, who's that from? Don't know.
Oh, that's from, my mom, it's from, Angela.
Thank you. This is Victor. Oh, yes. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yes.
I always wanted like that today. Hey, Mom, this is what you got, Marshall.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'll be sleeping in tonight.
What's up? Hey.
You got some neat mediums.
I know, that's what I wanted stuff to do.
And then in shirts, flannels. It's not good. I'm stopping here.
You leave me up.
I'll wear jeans.
Gotcha.
I wish I brought the camera stand now that I'm thinking of it.
This? Do you like it, This is from Measures.
I'm about to change into this.
Manny, do you like it? Oh, and Manny.
Those girls have such big eyes.
Manny, she can't hear me. Can you ask her? Okay.
Pretty Zoe.
Go ahead and take it out of that box.
Richard, can I see your phone?
Alright, we got other presents.
I'm disappointed with Auburn right now.
Wow, that's cool.
Is that a flashlight?
I better make some
Do
noise.
you see the color code?
Push the button.
Oh, it's soft. Warm to it. Hey, don't give it to Mom.
Hey, Mom.